Hello, my beautiful people. I will not day today. I want to talk about people will be say we will get children for here. Will be say they will see command after the woman get many una don't born for here, una never born for Nigeria. Una go see command go the stress una self. Go the that one na before. People say we never wise. You understand? If you get money, my dear people, if you know say na here for in na diaspora na this Europe or America or Canada, you forget your children. My dear, find money take buy house for them, make dey comfortable, live well, eat well. Forget about say I wan go buy for flat for Nigeria. I dey build for Lagos, I dey build for Korodu, I dey build for this one, my dear. Forget about am. Forget about am. Those one are just vanity upon vanity. Because you need to know say pikin when you born for here, pikin when you really born for here, you train am the way be say dey train pikin. You wan give your children good life. Tomorrow many be say they no go forget you, my dear. Find money. If na your if you maybe you get like kind 4 children, or you get 4 or 5 children or 6 children for here or 3 children. If na 4 you get, find 4 bedroom flat, just buy. Na even cheap pass, buy. Dey comfortable with your children and your lovely wife. Dey stay. Go open one account so be say the account you go dey save money small small. If you dey receive maybe the money wey dey receive every month, the money still big small. You see maybe at the end you see after you don use everything, you still get 500 euro still free. Dey put 300 for inside there. 100 euro you go keep am for in case if you don go see you carry money go anywhere you wan buy something. Dey do am for your do am for here. Anytime wey be say you wan still go Nigeria, say you wan Nigeria no be country be say you just save. Jealousness, heaviness too much for that country. If no be Fulani, e go be this one. If no be this one, you supposed to know now, e go be this one. You understand? So our Nigeria, our country Nigeria, wetin dey e too heavy. The spirit wey the so me take go 2015, my dear people, no be say my family dey pursue me dey go. They don dey pursue me dey go. I no dey owe anybody money. Person no dey owe me money. The people dey owe me money. So me I talk am that way, but me I no dey go. Why? And the thing no come, the spirit no come agree me make I go. E no come agree me there at all, because the person go dey sleep for sleep now. You go dey think about say make thief no come o. How you wan get rest of mind? This maybe the thinkness e dey kill person. No be wetin spiritual thinkness. Make you too think, your tension high. You fit follow sleep go. You fit follow you fit fall go. Na God. That is why e go more go dey arrange our thing for normal way. You know say na here you for born your children. So people dey see they born build her, build for Egba, build for this one. No, my sister, those one are just you want to take the call enemy for your life. You want to take buy your short life. Why? Because after all, before a year finish, you no go even reach 2,000 person dey go Nigeria. For me na 2015 I go Nigeria reach, I never go since then. I don't come dey rape for anybody side dey go house every day. Wetin I wan go do? Wetin I wan go do? I get house for there, I get everything for there, but I no come the thing no come be like say when I go there, I know e no be like say na there for come again, because I don too stay for Europe. Yes, no come be like say na there for come again at all. The thing no come sweet me again, and the way wey dey live, rain go fall, everywhere make poto for all the whole Benin. Because na me, the person be say something dey irritate now be. E no be like Europe. It can never be like Europe. Here now, you fit dey see wey be say my pikin come even dey this thing come pikin go dey sick for where I carry my pikin go that time. Pikin dey sick. You know no make I know your go that. If na only that medical health wey be say no your health wey be say no dey Nigeria. If na only that one cancel. Wey be say pikin go dey sick for here, then they don run everything wey dey do am. No, they don't give you the receipt free. You need go collect medicine for pharmacy. But Nigeria not be like that. If you know maybe that day you not get Euro, you not get Naira for this thing, pikin will carry go, you know carry come back again. If not all those ones, God don't see carry us all the way from Nigeria. Some people will say they follow sea enter. So we follow flight enter. You will still thank God. Build your life for here. Only one house you reach. Maybe anytime we see you still reach house. Maybe for family issue or for anything, you should see where like relax put na be that one. when the man dey buy use na say take dey buy use some money take dey buy debt go dey build house for here build house for here build house for here wey be say people una dey build house maybe you go Nigeria now they ask you $5 you say you no get that thing the enemy don come ayan wa yan obo wa ni lọ́rọ̀ náà ni ewa lọ́rọ̀ gba na yan obo lọ́rọ̀ na yan obo that thing just dey carry enemy follow body my sister my brother mo dey be wise ola. So no be the build all those as help. From the enemy don't come my people. Enemy don't dey show. Una dey buy una grave that time. You come this one come trust store come. This one come trust store come. This one come trust store. How many store now una go fit wage? That is why some people dey be millionaire but they dey do am for a year. Me get friend be say he call me one day. He all call me say because he know me. You know say I go fit give am good if you ask me the thing I will fit reply with good advice. He say my sister if you wan come if I wan talk to you know say wetin be that one. He say no he say na advice he need from you Mrs. Bibi na say advice na say well I dey stop see time when you dey take point if you wan come see me na you come I say come we sit down talk of the people no just dey like that day people don comot. He say he wan go but I no go buy land for one this thing for one wey dey tell land so na so therefore let me cut am say you no dey finish for land na now matter na hold you so you no do something for year for your children na say abeg go any money wey me and my husband your get now we dey carry am we get our savings account we say we dey arrange our life for here o you understand we dey arrange even though we still go Nigeria get dey open the account I fit see withdraw naira you fit see with anything you say they don say okay you need to call your first bank for Nigeria to come the bank will call them for that side for any bank wey you open for there they work together. He say sir she wan say okay I'll ask my husband na him do am he can give you the everything. Now so my sister not buy you don't get two flat you don born for Nigeria you get 4 children na say house woman do na dey rent you no go buy house for him make those children for rent every month now you dey pay 450 for your landlady or landlord those are not the tire if you buy house maybe you get that kind that's if you see house of 60,000 euro if you wan buy you buy correct house that's when you say e better that's if you not dey spare again you fit dey put am for rent through agent give agent they go dey rent am for you if you get loss they fit rent am 500 450. You no know more you that one. I say na true. They say how you want it. Now say you get money. He say but he get. Now say how much? He say get 35,000. Now say you be woman. You got 35,000 euros. Say they get. Now say now you are your husband. But he say now your husband. God the money wey dey work. Now say no see on a government person dey work. You see and that cause you try my sister. Okay. Now you praise that my friend. Say you try. What you will do now? You tell your husband go see bank. Now say baby village they say house. Like I can so really people if you go say the one way near me way near my store here they say when I go me there no one correct better half for one area we say if you not dey here again if you see the carry and put for rain go the how they go the Russian they say na truth I tell not be for Nigeria again all gonna waste not want to go to buy enemy you want go buy more enemy maybe your family now you know they give them money like that they feel say they understand. So they don't draw small enemy call your life. He said na truth my sister. Now say tell your husband go meet this baby. If I can't give them the number then they first call. Then they give them sitter. When they can't go there, they can't call them. They can't give them spare, they can't go meet baby. They can't get love, they can't see house for 45,000 euros. They make 10,000 when you come. Baby they can't give them. They can't after they do everything for the tomato, the rest community if you want to buy house for Spain. Things wey be say you will do be say you will settle this one do this one money wey dey come dey hold BBV like could be 10,000 euro na we they come see house of 45,000 one correct 4 bedroom flat clean house for good area for the buy for Gambinet the Gambinet for buy the house Tranvia the where the Trump be say everything dey their boss everything someone came Macedonia near everything near pray for come see house About 4 days ago this year, he carry me, they don't pack enter their house. He arrange he buy me champagne, make I be say I be good friend, say na make am like me, say he no know why, but nobody know this friend, I no go make sure he knew. You want the area, you want the go your egbe. He say he no know why, Obi say anything wey he tell me, I dey see this. I say this money you do not for you. He don comot for rent. He carry me go reach the house, go show me the house, he buy me champagne, he just come thank me. He just say if they tell us me they buy for here. He say he no dey hear, cause he say cause he love him wife. And because you see the respect and the dynamic as if he also knows of how you know you also live on. Now I said no brother. Now I said thank God so now God make it come call me. Now I said you know what forget about Nigeria, you get the husband get to fly, you get to fly. Don't see rich. And my here in your job, even my old daughter, my second daughter. What you tell me when the work is they there 4 years. Now I say that time I say we go Nigeria, we go see grandma. He say make grandma come see her for here. He say that our country. Every day after they cry, Hey, they don't shoot am oh. Esa motor, they don't shoot am oh. They don't. He say for that one, mama. He say to Paris, not soon Paris, must no, I say bro. I'm not picking 4 years. I told that time I couldn't look my I couldn't share. He says he took care at to Paris. For the East Solar, you can be a manas. Now só me God. Sim, tá luego, sim tu querer ir a tu país. E sola e com tu marido, with their father, but deja mi hermanos, puedo cuidarlos. Até before I come, he will take care of his sisters, his brother before I come back from Nigeria. They will not go with me because every day. And I also cry now, they say, oh, they don't see this one, oh, Fulani, oh, this one. I say, no. It could be some mama parake. You can't hear ya. So some daughter advise me that advice. Say God can send your daughter, may come advise you. He can send your son. He can send your friend, because also God take the work who believe in God. He can send friend who be say you become lies. Say, you think who be this one say. That's what God take the work of person life. Since then, I'm not going to picking with people I put for me say they cry with say cannot go meet. You no go survive. You no go enter my blood until that Nigeria they repair or till become better country. When you be say person go, you fit use gold, you fit use anything. Nobody no gun shoot, nothing. Person go dey sleep for your house, you go relax. If you are rebel, if you are VA, police under what God dey wa me. No, dia wa money but you wa mo akin. If you carry government people, so now be that one say they don't get their own house now, 4 bedrooms. You see the house, it dry. The house, it make boy new building. And then for new like a BBV can give them. New building, get money to say they find before 2 weeks. You don't see her, maybe you get like a 30, 40 or 28. They would you don't see the rush give you. The rest one, the 10,000 how much they pay every month, they pay 120. And that's a good. Before they pay for nothing, you know go no say they will be say they will also get money, they still go give them. Before they say before my friend said before 2 years they go give them. You know go research and send depends on you. Now so don't get day. Now don't put no be money. Huh? Don't day house, don't day house. Don't day not any money where you got there and go be new money will be say it may be for vacation or for anything. Thank God so you dey work, your husband dey work. You in dey 6 hours. Your husband dey 8 hours. They children. My dear, you go person the reason well, man understand. When people say they fall, anybody will say you don't call me yo, I don't say call on my own. We say they know they hide something for me, they tell me the truth. And they give people good advice, I don't know why. After they advise myself, so they advise people. They really give them good advice. They their whole house now. Now better part, you pay your whole house. Nobody will come say you want to pay light bill, you want to pay water bill, you want to pay this one. No. Now you go know say na your account. Any bill when you come and you through your account, that time not be another person name account. They don't bring no. Your mind will relax. Na your house. Na your house. You no go come. They say month go come now, you no go see you don't put money from my account, you no go hear that one again. You don't let that one. That know how to regulate your tension. And so you want to say go to buy house for Egba for this one for popular for this for when I forget those kind of rubbish. How much for rent for Nigeria? How much? If the area too maybe too the area too open, it fit be 15 to 16,000. That's for flat. That's all you wish. How much for 50,000 euro for 50,000 naira for euro for here? Calculator, if you get sense. How much? You're gonna say 30 euro. Eh man, any rent over. Any rent over. Go say go even spoil. Send something go so they go tell me go repair am or what gain. Eh, other than just to carry give you tension high, to give you tension high, to give you short life. Those are my vanity upon vanity. Do something well for country where you for born. If you know say you not born for Nigeria, if you go born for Nigeria, same you born for Nigeria. If na left too flat you build, it maybe depends on how many children you born for Nigeria. If na left too flat or two for if na maybe two children you get that's we get money you build too flat for this one, build for this one. Write their name. Your share, give them. The one when they here build for it, still buy for here, they stay. Because the one when they can never go to Nigeria. Forget that one. They can never go there. The one they go, they can never go there because that not be their way. Because they born for here, when we say they don't be born for the hospital for here, my dear. They be if not Spain children, they be citizens of Spanish. If not Italy, they be citizens of Italo. If not German, they are German children. For that German, oh, if you be saying papa and mama get paper before you born, they be German children. That brain, that sense, now that place where they for born them. Now the area ya way me. When we go court one day with my I go Saka collect birth certificate of my second daughter, yes. He said, where I for born and I said, now here, hospital San Juan. I said, he just look and say, I said, de Los Otros. This is our because me now, I don't get nationality of, I don't get nationality that I never, the Nigeria, this is our I said, they don't want to answer me. And this is our because even though not Senegal, even though not black, even though not this thing, as I say you are here for, now Spain for Bona. They don't count as their own because you know so that attitude that their character they did with it. They did with them. Go the so people go get house. This one a Lego sao, yeah 4 flat. This one also Sazien Beo 10 flat. This one and this one 4 flat. I don't know what did they happen. You not come for away from Nigeria. Nobody want to civilize. Huh? I'm also here civilize. You buy the house for Europe here better pass. The really get money be millionaire. Do one for here, live about Nigeria. People see the Nigeria, may they see feed their country with houses, may they see try, may they build house for the house land for the land where the Nigeria. More live, more they do for here. More support our president, our Lipton say we will support them for here. Not be Nigeria, we not stay Nigeria. Understand? I'm not saying I'm not the work. Not the good cities. Not the work. Not the good cities. Anywhere you they work so that they not or both people they not gonna use bad eye. So they look now. Well say yourself because why you are supporting you are paying tax. And then we will support a tax. A tax na pay na tax na pay. Now what is that? Where that tax they go for here for love for sleep for here. One, they go your this thing, so your pension. Two, they go hospital. If they share small, they share for every place small, not be free. If they share those medicine, say you go for, they will treat you for, and if you don't say you they work, what is the fact as if they sick, if you sick bed, if medical condition say they work, I start about family, they don't know the way what they treat you. If you they work, they don't let to make you down. They go like to do anything but to save your life. But also because you support this their country. No go hospital, no go down and see one fly for hospital now. They don't see people for that they fear coronavirus, they don't go kill them. You understand? Before now people headache, they do that. They don't they walk on and they go full hospital pass. They don't never pay taxes since when they since when they say they born they go food there pass. All they work, if you be woman, any country for Colombia or Guinea or Nigeria, anybody when they work and forget, they go take care of one of the days we put that your star card, don't say you they pay tax, my dear. They go take care of you. Now the good this thing, then they'll take treat you. They receive good medicine, they good see everything how medicine get your level or where they work. They will do the best one. Because you don't need a pay put, you don't need pay put for your health. They will treat you when they say when you first be spend 10 months, you go spend 2 days, but they don't come reach yourself. You're descent. You know they work. One of the same people when they cheat person, when they cheat on ourselves. Mostly our people be say they all get children, we say then they some of the where we say that for the help children. If the law same even though you they work, they say pay your children, go they work. Even though the hours no can reach hour be don't they pay now 2 hours safe. They support that place where you for born. So that tomorrow na to be say pikin go do. You no go the hard. You get one house when I fed the that house since they will be say we know they know be say they happen. That house when I fed the that house be when they come for that house. Be there pass house. I go dey tell my house, my husband was saying the way I take the use am, here kolo me I said no, that no. This one be say here kolo me. This is too much. The bill is too much when we dey pay. It's too much. The thing wey people dey vex me. Me no back me understand. Before I come dey complain one that someone still come all this stuff. Now one man come tell me say for here one old man come tell me one old man na responsible man, they call him Antonio. He come tell me say for here maybe the one the vendor no vex they say maybe the house one and they stay, the person wey you get that house he no work one day, he no pay he say he no pay any tax na him make am anything bill wey dey come for that house he must dey there. I say I no believe that man. He say if I say I no fit pay am make I go. As I dey complain na one man Moroki boy still come. He see how fatura be, see the house wey dey dey buy house, he don tire, he dey vex. Na say you see the vex for my own. Na we come dey laugh together. He come tell me say house wey dey big water bill wey dey come, e too much. He come dey vex. You know dey stay around say my husband your business you see here now. You see na wetin I dey use at if I dey baff, I no dey come for baff. I said not be that one. Na bad house. Because they come no even say. He said that one come say that one man tell am say the house when he fed they say the house when he did so say the price no work. They no give am punto. If you dey work, people say you dey work well when you be for when you don't pay tax well when you get the way they go dey do am, the landlord go don any person wey come enter that house that time. Big go dey come small now say and which is truth. Me tell door from my house. Because I'm saying go the door for inside Central Semata. Say if you reach there, they will ask you your number and when they head the door. Now Semata, they say yes. Yeah, I go down to my house. I'm a she's there. What should they mean? I do try to use water. If I back my children to do the same thing that I will do. I will want make the water enter their body, will make it sweet them. 3 months wey liability dey come and they collect for bill for my water. Sometimes go be 87 euro. Yes. Every 3 months water bill. So me if I bath today with the hot water. Even like the way when they come, when beside they wash every blessed that they wash. God is my weakness. 2 months my liability dey come much 64 euro. 64. 2 months. Many for us. We have 4 kids there. 2 adults. My husband with 4 children. I mean, bro, now with my well before they pay when I fed the other woman house, they pay how much? And they pay for time. Light bill go come. He be 250, 260. One of my friends will say, I don't want to make sure your name, you go bear me witness. One day, when light bill come, he follow me at the house. I the gather friend. Now, he say I'm not say 275. He say for work, not say for 2 months for life bill. He say it's too much now. He say I tell you this one your dear balance. I tell you they pay am. He say that they use bedroller. I say it's too much, but now I'm not gonna use bedroller again. But it's now they use now Luzaro. Now they use my house. Hola. ¿Cómo está? Sí. Yo te vi todos los días. Sí, gracias. Okay, my people, make I get person make I live on now. So now be that one. So you make person they work, make una try, make una they work, Work na very wetin dey important. They support the country where you dey, where you for born, respect them, not make trouble, not find trouble, no even though person find you trouble, person slap you for here. You and the other one make it slap you back because God talk am. No be you go fight for yourself. Now God and they fight for somebody. Now here now God, now they fight for person. You cannot fight for yourself. Put everything for God, huh? Person offends you, try me you get the heart of forgiveness. Forgive her. So that anything will say you still do, God will still forgive you. Every day with the make mistake. Nobody for this level say never make mistake. Nobody for this world, but for this level say never make mistake. With human being. We be human being, we can make mistake to no. Even the Bible, the Matthew say, he say, or they can't ask God, say, person can ask God, say, now every day by then until they forgive our brother if he do us bad. Now I got to more than 1,000,000 times. You need to learn how to forgive somebody. So I need to be say you they do, you go to prosper. You they carry your name, go give anybody who comes strong pass for this world, it not go work because God doesn't know say you be you. Get the heart of forgiveness. So the people say somebody still do because they fight for you. One on the jealousy, people with the jealousy, not jealousy your person. Pray for the person. You see the person they prosper. Pray for God. The way if na good way the person see more, they make God give you that strength, that wisdom. You still find your own daily bread. You understand? So now be that one, my people. This life no need to the jealousy one another, not today. Now markets, now we countries, and if they do any, we need to go back to our father. When sales come, you know how to take on this life. Me, I don't know if you know, me don't know. Although you remember, don't know one day, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year, 8 year. Now, although you know, a devil here, we go with one and one. We do it. We don't know because you and nephew and you do you know. So now God then get our life. No need for us to the worry one another. Let's gather together and pray. We pray and we all. Yes. Believe in God and also believe in Him. Yes, so because now God will now. Make my heart free. I want to get bad. Say this one better pass me. I want know because you know man already have more hair. Man know where he is. He read. I'm talking about understanding. You know I take on this like you know what he promised. God he say what can become if you read this word. As you be so you will look me. So you fit take injection to another person. No, because not be your work. When I know do work more. As you be so, you feel one Gary for fun. No, because if you don't allow you feel go fall, you go break your heart because everyone will do work. As you be so, you feel carry for gallon of water for your head. No, if you don't, you feel get headache because God not made you that way. Make you can't carry that gallon for your head. So people they will say they carry. If they not carry it go be like they sick. If they don't do it go be like they don't eat medicine when it cool them down. So that is why I don't know how they are going. Where everybody gets your way of living. My brothers, my sister, we gather together, help one another. Person carry a matter can't give you, make you encourage them. Try encourage them. Yes, encourage her for good way. No come. No tengo. Encourage her. Na very important thing. encourage her. They hear me so, because this life we can't help one another. But some people don't know that one. Some people don't know. Now when you know, when we help each other, man, not laugh the person. So this one don't get, this one get. We in the room. God when you see do your own, you see do the rest people. Or where not on badafi, not on anafi, who say a for the benny. Who say for the benny. If that's what I read bona. Yeah, my mountain not here. My mountain not here. Yeah, man, the airport in back. Because why? The Kokome emitting here. I made a rebel or 2 barrier or the sea, or what barrier moon, or the rebel, or the sea, or why more among the rebel news, you'll be ready. And then a European yarrow, in case of a case city, will stand there for you. I know what's not the talk. I know what's not the talk. Meaning, they ask me this, so if you are born, I know the born because my sister did me. Will help me. Now they born. Help me. Do this one. It will be like a more girl will be say. Before the morning, before 8 o'clock in the morning, I don't see pandemia, see correct a gristle soup, see or anyone bolo, go in here. If me or newborn, I go figure they cook all those sweet food. No. Blessing. I don't go fit. Because why? My sister there here. Let me bar picking. In the night, I go sleep. That way, all those are human they do for Nigeria. I go sleep finish. I go relax myself. My dear. Go relax. I baby they cry for night. You date my sister for time. And so, my husband will go sleep on. We go sleep on because okay, una rebel. Una need that opportunity. Mo talk back egbe. Where we no. Mo ke egbe gede arebo no je. This your way na era when ebuwa we dey when that's what on the man otinya pa ye mama pa mu remo tinya mo vari mo tinya mo kun me rebo ma awe gbe na ro pa na fi egbe ni use fovo gbe vo be fovo so that is why it good wa be o no we o ma be we o we tun. If you get that opportunity, invite your person, make consistent with the sister, they look at as everything still big. Whether it's sweet or whether it's bad or you hear come and again with your love, oh more easy. Europe no easy, you hard though. Cafe? Vale. Okay, make I leave. Say, make I leave with my people. So I want to go say I love you all. I want to talk and show me they help one another. I love you. Bye, Mrs. Baby, love you all. Bye.